In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add call to action buttons in Lovable AI. So as you have noticed on my Lovable AI's website, I have in here this button, which is a call to action to schedule a meeting. So if you want to know how I did that, what you can do is you first need to go over to your hosting platform wherein this button will be redirected. I have chosen Calendly for this case, and under this, I actually copied my link, then head back to your Lovable. You just need to prompt Lovable to add a button, which is this call to action button that we're talking about, and then input the URL where they will be redirected. After that, Lovable will think for a while and add that particular button right here. Don't worry because you can still change its colors, the URL affiliated to it, by just sending a message to the Lovable chat right there. Once you're done, you can head over and publish the changes that you have made so far. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.